Good morning, students. Today we are starting the chapter 4, class 10th mathematics, chapter 4, exercise 4.1, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the exercise chapter name. Okay, students, let's we start. Here, these are the questions. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersects at point or parallel or coincident. Okay, these things you have to find. Okay, see the uh, first we have to, here in this question, same everything coincident, consistent, uh, like these problems will come. Okay, intersecting or not. If two lines are there, then they will intersect or each one or not. That one you have to check. Here, see, these are the three questions are there. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. 9x b1 is these are the problems. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 8x 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. See, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. These are the ABC, these three problems. What we have to find, see, in this question he is asking that intersect at these linear equations or intersects at a point or parallel or coincident. Okay, or coincident. So these things you have to, how to find, just according to that formulas, simple one, not to worry. Okay, so let's start the solution. The given pair of linear equations are, first one is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. These are the two equations he given in this question, first question A. Okay, comparing equations 1 and 2 with the standard pair of linear equations. What is the standard pair of, first you have to know the standard pair of linear equation. See here, this is the standard, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard pair of linear equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to, remember student, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and then second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, we get a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 8. Just simply this first equation equating to our question. In that question, what is here, in this question, that equation is given that 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 first. Okay, this one is the first equation, right? So this first equation, you have to do, it's equal, it means you have to uh, what do you say, this equation and the equation tally the two equations, then a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 8. Got it? a1 equal to a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 8. Got it? No? Same thing like that, second equation also, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 10. Isn't it? Just to check, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 9. Just once, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus. Okay, now for that you have to do a1 by a2, you can check, a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, right? And then b1 by b2 we will check, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6, and c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. Okay, since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what is a1 by a2 here? 5 by 7, and then b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. So equations will be representing intersecting lines. Okay, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1, you should remember this point. Okay, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means that lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting means one and one more intersecting means what we say like this, intersecting these type of lines. Okay, here this part is called as the intersecting. Understand, no? Okay, this is the, for example I'm telling to you. Okay, students, next okay, next what you have to see, second part, the given pair of linear equations are 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals, this is the first equation. Second problem we are doing now, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals 0. You got it now? According to that pair of linear equations, a1 is equal to 9, here a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12, right? So here second equation, a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to 24. So what we have to check, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So okay, a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2 we got, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2 we got, c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So these three are equal. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So the pair of linear equations will representing coincident. If a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are equal, then what we say, that lines are coincident lines. What is that? Coincident. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means that is intersecting lines. A1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal means that is coincident. The given pair linear equations, say next, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here this is third one, a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to 10, a2 is equal to 2. Just you can just tally and you can write the values. Okay, c2 is equal to 9. Every time I'm not writing that a pair of linear equation form, so you can understand that a1x is this in the form of a1x plus b1y, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This according to that formula, a1 value is 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 10, a2 is equal to, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 9. Now what you have to do, a1 by a2, b1, check a1 by a2 is equal to 3, and then b1 by a2 is equal to 3, and c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. That means here only both two are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. So this type of the pair of linear equations will be represent parallel lines. Parallel lines, why? Because these two are a1 by a2, b1 by b2 are equal. See, but c1 by c2 is not equal. Then you can say these are the pair lines. Got it, students? a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is not equal to means you have to say, then that is the intersecting lines. That pair of the lines are, the equations are intersecting lines. Okay, next, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal. Both three are equal. Then what do you say? That is in the second problem we did. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. These three are equal. Then what do you say? These linear equations will be represent coincident lines. What do you say? These are the coincident. In the third form, what is here? Here in this part, A1 by A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Not equal to C1 by C2. Then what do you say? The pair of linear equations will represent parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Understand, students? Okay. In today we understood these points. First, remembering the form of pair of linear equations are a1 by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, then in this question he given that the questions you have to tally that, so that you can a1 a2 a1 b1 c1 values and a2 b2 c2 values. Then after that what you have to do, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If these three are equal, then that is coincident lines. Okay, you have to understand only one point. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 means that coincident lines. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, that means that is a parallel lines. Okay, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then what do you say? That is intersecting lines. Okay, students, you got it now? So okay, everything here clear in this. Okay, next one, the second one. Here in this graphically problems you have to do. Okay, graphically means x dash y dash graph you have to draw. Okay, that's why I'm doing only here one problem for explanation to you, and remaining also will continue it. Okay, so that I am telling very small subject, because so that you can, I will tell more subject means you can't understand. That's why I am taking every day little bit subject, and then I am explaining complete depth with that subject. Okay, students. Okay, now here check whether the following equations, second problem here, check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them. Consistent or inconsistent. Okay, solve this graphically. So here these are the question. A is equal to 3x plus 2y equal to 5, bx 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Here he given like this, totally up to I till here. These are the problems. Okay, first problem we are doing solution. For first problem solution we are taking 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, one equation, and then second equation 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to, okay, according to that formula, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, equating, then you will get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, and then what is c1 is equal to minus 5. And then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 equal to, these are the values we got. And then simply you have to check a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by 5 by 7. Okay, minus minus get cancelled, so that that will be 5 by 7. Okay, so these three are unequal. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by 2. The given equations are consistent. What do you say? These are the lines, these two lines are these given linear equations are consistent. They intersect at one point. They intersect, already we told that a1 by 8 is not equal to b1 by b2, means that is intersecting lines. Okay, the first one is the consistent, and these are the intersect at one point. There is a unique solution, there is a unique solution. Okay, now here the given equations are like this: 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. These are the equations. So from graphically, if you are to do, then you have to do like this, students. Okay, first y form. You have to 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. 5 is there, no? So 2y you can leave like this, and then this 3x goes to that side, become minus 3x. Then 5 minus 3x it will come. So y here 2y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x. This 2 is multiplying here, it will be divided. Okay, 5 minus 3x by 2. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x by 2. So here if you take like this graph, okay, one table, then x is equal to minus 1 0 1 2 3, y is equal to 4 2.5 1 0 minus. So these are the values we got. Okay, if you are substituting the x values minus 1 0 1 2 3 in this y form, in this form, then you will get the value of y is equal to 4 2.5 1 minus 0.5 minus 2. These are the values. Okay, now we have to draw these are the two equations. Second equation is 2x minus 3, y is equal to 2x minus 7. So okay, 3y equal to y equal to x minus scale x x one. First one we are going to draw the graph. See here, x value is 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here minus 1 2 x, this one is x dash, y dash. Okay, here these are the 1 2 3 4 plus values, and here 1 2 3 4 plus values, and here this is minus values, and this one is also minus values. Okay, now here how we will draw these two lines? Okay, first 2x minus 3, according to that table. See, once you table check here, what did you got? Check minus 1 4, minus 1 4, x is minus 1, y is 4, x is minus 1, y is 4. Where it is y, x is minus 1 here. This x axis, no, this is x is minus 1. Okay, this is here, y is 4. Y is 4 means like this. Okay, mm, just I draw a graph like this. Graph will come like this. Okay, got it, no? Just simply I draw. Okay, according to that points you can keep it that points one way, and then you can draw a line. Okay, then you get the line like this, and then this part you get the one equation, two equations, two lines you can draw. Then what is the intersecting point here? This is the intersecting point. What is it here? 2 and here minus. Check once what is the intersecting point. See, the given lines are intersecting at one point. The solution is 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma x is 2 and y comma minus 1 means here it will come. Okay, so somehow here it will come. Okay, like that we have to draw. Okay, I draw graph just formally, but in graphical you can draw with according to the table points. You can keep points line, and then you can draw a line on that, and second equation you can take, and the second table you can draw according to second table you can take one more line like this. Then these two are intersecting points. The two lines wherever the intersect the point is, that point you have to write the intersecting point. Okay, that point is minus 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. So please students, share and subscribe. Okay, here we will continue this pair of linear equations second part next class. Okay, so everyone please share it and subscribe this channel. Okay, so that you can tell to your friends. Here online classes also is there, so if you want to attend you can contact this number. If you contact this number, 739665547, this is the number. So if you want online section, online classes, then you will contact us. We will explain with the board, the nice. Okay, I will explain more about in that. Okay, if you understand, you can understand it, or else if you don't, if you want more explanation about these chapters and exercises and problems and doubts and more important questions about the things, all will be explained in that online classes. Okay, so maybe you will I hope you will be interested to understand these all things. Okay students, please follow us. Thank you very much.